Hi, check this out. I got the Breo Scalp Massager. Breo is a company from Shenzhen, I think, and I got this one from Taobao for 799 Hong Kong dollars. Let's unbox it. Ooh, okay, so in the box. Ooh, looks pretty good. I saw this product from an internet ad, and being the mindless consumer sheep that I am, I was immediately interested because who wouldn't want to massage their scalp? And apparently they also have a compartment where you can put hair oil, and as you're massaging, it releases like the oil into your scalp, or like onto your head, and then it massages into your scalp. That's pretty cool, right? Ooh, cute box. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. Oh, okay. First impressions, it is built sturdy. It doesn't, it doesn't feel flimsy or like cheaply made at all. This is nice. Can't wait to try this. Okay, let's see. So here it is. They come in different colors. I got red because it's pretty. Ooh, okay, so these are the bristles. And the bristles move in like a massaging motion. Look at this box, it's so nice. Not me being confused about how to open this box. Oh, they have a nice, super soft carrying bag. Beautiful, beautiful. They have some instructions. It looks like, uh-oh, I hope there's English. And they have a charging cord, Type-C. Is there English? Oh my god. There is no English, but it's okay. Yeah, I think I have to charge this first. Okay, so there's a bit of a charge. Look at this. I just turned it on. It's moving already. Let's try this. Oh my gosh. It feels really good. Oh my gosh. It's like a mix between massaging and like scratching. Oh, that's nice. Where's the oil compartment? So this is the on-off button, I guess. Oh, and it looks like there's different speeds. Now slower, faster. And then if you long press it, it turns off. Oh, that is nice. And I think this back here is where you put the oil. Let me see. Oh, it looks like it. Yeah, there's a little compartment here where you can put some hair oil, and it will slowly release, I think through here, onto your scalp as it massages. Not bad. Whoa, okay, okay. I wonder, like, there's this red light. I wonder if that has anything to do with it, like red light therapy. Okay, this is officially nice. It feels so good. And you know how sometimes when you're like applying scalp oil, like hair oil or whatever onto your scalp, and it just gets so messy and you're like rubbing it in and you're not even sure if it's like, if you've got everything, like if it's even thorough enough. I think this will really solve that problem. Like, I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but I certainly do. I love putting stuff in my hair. So yeah, this is the Breo Scalp 3.